Good morning, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. I thought I'd make a video just talking about how Valentine's Day works in Japan because it is a little different here. We're gonna go inside the mall here that I'm standing on top of, and we're gonna check out what kind of stuff they're selling for Valentine's Day. All right, guys, so this is Main City, one of many large malls here in Okinawa. These things are all over the place, but if you can see, we're on the top floor here. But all the way down there in the middle, they are selling their Valentine's Day stuff. Let me mention a few key differences. Actually, the main one, they actually sort of have two Valentine's Days here in Japan. The first one is today, February 14th, the standard one, except the difference is that in Japan, February 14th, the men actually don't give the women flowers and chocolate. In Japan on February 14th, the men actually receive all the flowers and chocolates from their significant other. I'm expecting Kit to get me a bunch of chocolates and flowers. That doesn't mean though that the women are left out. There's actually another holiday called White Day, and that's on March 14th, exactly 1 month later. Well, a little less than 1 month because February is like a short month. White Day is for the men to give their women flowers and chocolates and stuff. So let's see what kind of stuff they sell here in Japan for Valentine's Day. Since this Valentine's Day is for men, they're selling kind of more manly things here. I mean, you know, women drink beer too, but this is a special Valentine's Day couples beer. That's pretty funny. There's all kinds of little packages here and stuff in case you want to get just something small for Valentine's Day for your significant other. Oh, here's a little, I guess this is like a kids pack. These are like kids chocolates and stuff. That's pretty cool in case you want to get your kids something also. Funny guys, I'm looking around here and it's almost all women just shopping for the Valentine's Day chocolates and stuff. It's something you don't really think about, but it is kind of strange to see. These are manly chocolates. This is what you get for your man. Here's some more beer here for men. Men, you gotta come to Japan if you want the women to get you all this stuff for Valentine's Day. Here's a little gift pack in case you really don't want to think about it, women. You could just get us this. Looks like it has, yep, it has a 6-pack of beer and chocolate in it. They've got peanuts, chocolate, panda chocolates, chocolate zoology. Look, you could get a chocolate gorilla. I want that. I want that, Kit. Chocolate gorilla. Oh my gosh, she would want the pig though. She likes things like that.
Pie pie chocolate.
What is it?
It's pie pie chocolate. Booby chocolate.
Oh. Star Wars chocolates, that's pretty cool. White Day, they probably wouldn't have soccer balls and baseball stuff. Got Tonka Truck chocolates for your boys. That's cool. They do have specialty stuff here, guys. These are Pokemon cookies and chocolates that you can get specially crafted. Dinosaurs, that is pretty cool. That's funny, they made the Tyrannosaurus Rex like not have arms, the chocolate Tyrannosaurus Rex, because they have tiny arms. They have some space chocolate here too, guys. That's pretty cool. Look at that. There's astronauts and stuff. Look at, these are the planets, the galaxies. That's awesome. All in all, guys, I actually think it's pretty cool that Valentine's Day in Japan is for the guys. I loved the guy-themed chocolates, like the space chocolates, and they had just manly chocolates and Pokemon chocolates and like Minions, just stuff that guys would like a lot more. They had a lot of chocolates like that, as well as they sold beer for your husband or your boyfriend or whatever. But it's really cool that Japan's Valentine's Day is a celebration for your guy. Later on, I'll probably probably do a White Day video. That's more like a traditional American Valentine's Day, except it's White Day, it's March 14th. Yeah, regular Valentine's Day, guys, is for guys in Japan. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe to me if you want more content on Japan. I'm doing all kinds of this stuff. So thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.